What's going on, everyone? So today we are here with Ivan from Dyelicious Discs, and we're going to be opening up the new 2024 Gyropalooza Box to show you what you can get and possibly expect if you were to get one of these boxes as well. So there is a special brick and mortar box, which is pretty much if you do have a physical building or a storefront or retail shop. And I believe those are limited to 6 boxes per retailer. So I would assume that it will be pretty hard to get your hands on one of those. But today we're going to be opening up one of the new Gyropalooza boxes for this year.
The digital box.
So what this is going to contain, guaranteed, is going to be 1 proton-neutron balance. The prototype balance in the Simon line. We have 1 total Eclipse Vanish, an Eclipse parachute. You're going to be getting 2 R2 neutron discs, which so far I've seen could be like a Pixel, a Tempo, a Wave, and even a Tesla.
I've seen possibly Matrix, a Hex. So they're doing a whole new run of R2s. So they're throwing some of those in with some overstock old R2s, I believe.
Awesome. So that'll be cool to see. You get 2 R2s, and then there's going to be 6 assorted Lab Second discs as well.
I'll be very careful with the blade, everybody. Drum roll, please. Why is it always harder to use the blade and right down the middle?
Just cut that box.
Never cut towards yourself like I'm doing, people. Definitely not safe. All right, ready? Here we go.
Awesome.
Oh.
Do we have the golden ticket? Oh, wow. Look at all those rims.
Oh, look at these rims.
Awesome.
I already see something I want.
Something awesome.
All right, here we go. We're going to start at the beginning. So this is what we know we're going to automatically get. So everyone.
I'm not going to be that person that calls this a watermelonish color disc.
But it's definitely watermelon with a 6 swirly green rim. It actually does
have like a watermelon rind rim.
Yeah, so I'm pretty happy. Awesome. That is the New Balance at 176. That's pretty sick.
Cool.
Pretty sick.
Nice.
So the next disc I'm very excited about is the Total Eclipse Vanish.
Awesome. That should be pretty
this
stable
thing
and a nice bomber
feels
disc.
Great. 175. Always, they're all going to be probably 170 to 175.
That's
beautiful
awesome.
Stamp.
Yeah, teal with like some magenta-ish.
All right, so this is the Total Eclipse parachute. Unbelievably very soft. Beautiful feeling. 156 soft. Feel that.
Awesome. Wow.
That's the
it feels
line.
Really nice.
Single mold.
Awesome.
So those are the 3 discs everybody's going to be getting, and here becomes the mystery. So the first one I'm going to pull.
R2?
Ooh. It's an R2 Hex.
Awesome.
With a nice
red rim.
Swirly red/pink rim at 170. Nice. And the gradient stamp.
Yeah, that's really
very nice.
Cool. Yeah, nice swirl on the rim.
All right.
Another R2?
Ooh, R2 reactor.
Oh, sweet.
Very cool score.
Damn. Yeah, that's cool.
And some of these R2s are known to have speckles in them that they actually glow. So some of these are going to look pretty sick, like galactic. The glow doesn't last. Like I wouldn't play glow.
No,
but if you look
like a
real
nice little
close,
shimmer flake.
It's pretty sick.
Awesome.
Very cool. All right, here comes the L2s. First L2. Ooh. Proton. Ooh.
What do you got?
Proton Trail, people.
Oh, shit.
That is
real?
a score right there.
Wow. No way.
That's like a teal green, maybe?
Wow. Yep.
Wow.
I thought you were kidding.
No.
Wow, that feels awesome. Very cool.
Now I'm psyched.
Wow, good box already.
Psyched. All right, here we go. Now, this one actually I feel and know, and it's really the disc I wanted, and people probably think I'm crazy that I wanted this.
What is it?
A Cosmic Neutron Echo.
Oh, wow.
And it's from the Pro Shop,
I don't think
dude.
Dude, the Echo is a pretty sick disc.
Right?
Wow. Yeah, that's dude. A really nice, like, sherbet.
And look at it's a sherbet color, dude, with the pink.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's awesome.
177, which is perfect weight for me.
Awesome.
fucking beautiful, dude. I scored.
Yeah, you know, with these discs already.
You know,
awesome.
I wanted a white color balance or something so I could dye it. It would be really cool, but actually that beautiful
awesome.
watermelon swirl, I couldn't ask for anything better.
Oh.
Ooh, Electron.
Electron what?
No, it can't be. Can it?
I don't know. You tell me.
A Nomad.
Okay.
Still, Electron
cool.
Nomad is sick. It doesn't say soft. It's an older one because it's actually stickered.
An Electron watt would be pretty awesome.
I know. I was like, no way.
Yeah.
I would be like,
That'd be awesome.
I
Yep.
guess I didn't get the gold ticket because my balance, right, didn't have the.
Yeah. Hey.
Ooh, dude.
Dude, that's a pyro. That looks like a pyro.
Plasma. Proton
Proton prism pyro.
rim with some. This is where the L2 comes into effect. You see these little specks of like R2 or something in it.
Wow.
This has got to be, like you said, a pyro.
Yeah, hell yeah. That's a nice color.
Dude,
Plasma.
look at that color.
Yeah.
Oh, this is another
wow.
score. I've got another
You're
score.
getting a great box already.
Dude, I'm feeling another score here.
All right, let's go. What is it?
I'm feeling it.
What do you think it is? What do you think it is?
I think it's a rhythm.
Okay. Wow, that is a sick. That is a sick rhythm.
I don't know yet.
If it's a rhythm.
No. It's even better.
Oh.
It's a crave.
Oh wow.
It's a fucking crave.
That is a very
Cosmic
awesome
neutron?
swirl. Yeah.
Or is it just
purple.
neutron crazy? It's got to be cosmic neutron.
Yeah, that is beautiful.
172. All right.
Awesome.
One left. It's a beefy one. So it's
beefy
probably
boy.
going to be the one that everybody gets in the
I would
box.
say probably either time lapse, an octane, or
A nitro.
That's
They've
it.
been, it seems like that's been what I've heard
Okay.
is the. Yeah.
you got it.
Yeah.
What do we got?
Nitro.
Nitro.
Yeah. But they glow green. So anybody out there that wants to trade like a nice proxy or something for this,
For my nitro, hit me up.
for this noodle arm, you let me know.
That's awesome.
Dude, what a score.
You got a pretty awesome box, I would say.
Yeah.
All right. So what are you most excited to get out and throw? That's so nice. That is so nice. This pyro feels so good too. Then you got your Echo, your Sherbert Echo, and the Proton. I want to see how stable
I think these are the three
or
scores.
flippy
right?
that trail is.
These are the three scores.
Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, very cool. And then
This
these
is
are
gonna be
awesome,
stable
awesome
for me,
nice
though.
R2s too.
Yeah, actually.
I don't know how that's gonna fly. I would love to get out and throw that and see.
175.
Hey, you never know. We got to get
A
out
lot
and
of
throw
people
'em.
want the trail, especially the Proton trail.
Yeah, no, that's a score within itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Awesome.
this is one of my favorite discs that MVP makes. And this was the one I wanted, believe it or not.
Well, then there you go. You got yourself an awesome box. What do you guys think of Ivan's box? Let us know down in the comment section below. Awesome. Cool. That's a pretty sweet box. And I did forget to mention also the other main differences for the brick and mortar boxes. You were guaranteed to get the Thrill, which is quite the overstable 11 speed. And then you also have a couple more assortments of discs that aren't in the normal boxes that you can potentially get in there. Good luck if you can get your hands on one of those. That would be awesome. But anyways,
the Thrill will take place of an L2, so you're still only getting 11 discs.
But
and it is
yes.
more money for that brick and mortar box.
Okay, sounds good. So those are the differences between the two. And this video is just a fun video to capture our experience on opening this up and also to show you guys what you could possibly get in your Gyropalooza box as well. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you stay tuned because Ivan and I have a cool couple videos planned for this Gyropalooza box getting out on the course. So definitely stay tuned for that. Hope you guys have a fantastic day and we'll see you next time. Take care.